I'm here with another digital kit share, and again this is one of my own digital kits. It's only a small one and it's just made, you know, kind of like decorative stroke collage type kit. Well, a kit perfect for collaging. Again, like the last video that I showed with the Snowy Days kit, it has been printed onto 2 lots of paper, but in 3 different ways. So I will start you off. It's a Dragonflies kit, and yeah, I love it. It is the same image in different, I think there's four different colours. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, as I said, it's only a small kit. I just really liked this image. Yeah, so we've got a blue one, and it looks great folded in half. So we have a beautiful blue one, then we have this peachy pinky coloured one. Am I in focus? Yeah. Excuse me. Then we have this, again, peachy pinky coloured one. And then we have this yellowy orange coloured one. Yeah, so this has been printed onto normal printer paper at standard. So it's just plain paper, standard print on normal printer paper, 80 GSM printer paper. And that's what you get. This one, again, has been printed onto the same printer paper, but this one was printed at plain paper, but standard vivid. So it's a little bit more vivid. You can definitely see a difference. This one's a little bit more brighter. Things stand out and pop a little bit more, which is cool. Yeah, so we have that one and that one. There's quite a difference, as you can see, maybe. Yeah. I'm getting them mixed up now. This one. Nope, that one. Okay, move that one, put that one there. Okay, so then we have that one. And that one. And then that one. Now these, like I said, will be great for ripping up and using in collage, or using as a page, or even using as a backing page on something. So yeah, quite pleased with that. And then this was printed onto the Navigator paper, 120 GSM. This Navigator paper, so it's like Ultra HD. Yeah, colour, you can use it for laser and inkjet paper, inkjet printers. It's really good stuff. And this was printed on that, just normal, you know, just, yeah, just printed normal onto that paper. No extra high quality or anything, but the difference is amazing. Yeah, so there's that one. Look at the colours in that one now. Beautiful. I mean, this alone to me would look nice in a photo frame. And then this one, I love this one. This is my favourite one in this, printed on this paper. My favourite one. And then that one. Now look at that one. Look at the colours in that one now on this paper compared to these. I mean, that is the standard printer paper version. Look at that. It's like it's 2 completely different pages. And then this is the one that's printed on the printer paper, but standard vivid. You can see a little bit more colouring in that one than you can the other one. But again, that is just like a completely different sheet of paper. It's like a completely different image. But that's this image printed onto the 120 GSM Navigator paper. It's just amazing. I love that one. Really love how that one turned out colour tones wise. Again, like I said, ignore that black splodge there. That was my printer having a tantrum because it had like that splodge there. That's my printer having a tantrum because it had slightly thicker paper in than what it likes. It doesn't normally have an issue with like 120 GSM paper or higher. I mean, I've had cardstock in that's been 220 GSM and it's taken it fine, but every now and then it does have a bit of a tantrum. But yeah, so this is the Dragonflies kit. I'm actually not sure what to name it properly yet. By the time you're watching this video, the link to it will be below. It will be available in the shop and the link will be below, and I will have thought of a name for it. But like I said, this is a quick, simple little Dragonflies kit. Yeah, I love how it turned out on this paper though. That's great. Like I said, almost like two entirely different kits when you're looking at them like side by side like that, especially that. Awesome. Yeah, so anyway, there you go guys, and that is it for me. Oh, no, before I go, sorry. Before I go, here in the UK we use A4 paper, but this was being a pain in the backside and wouldn't print A4. So what have I done with them now? Oh no, I've got them mixed up, I think. I mean, I had this in the other video with the Snowy Days kit. I showed that. It doesn't print out A4. It prints with a border at the top and the bottom, so I had to tweak my printer settings and print it at 8.5 by 15 inch as a legal size, like legal setting, and then it printed out like that, which is pretty much A4 to us. Why can I not find it now? Where is it? I literally don't know what I've just done with it. I've just had them. Like, seriously. Honestly, I'm losing my marbles today. Not that I have very many of them anyway, but I've just had them because I've just done my Snowy Days video. Oh, I don't know. Anyway, just take my word for it, guys. If you print it out as A4, it prints with a border at the top and the bottom, and this image is like centre of the page but doesn't fill it out fully. So as I said, I tweaked my printer settings and managed to get it to print, as you can see here, on the 8.5 by 15 legal size and then fit to page. Normally I untick the fit to page box and then you don't lose any of the image, but I did this one so that you can fit to page and you don't lose any of the image with it fit to page, but with it being a fit to page, it literally fits the page. So anyway, oh my gosh. Yep, so I spent all that time just looking for them, and they're here. Oh my goodness, I need sectioning. Okay, so yeah, if you just get hold of them and print, yeah, so if you just download it and print it as though it's on A4, that's what they come out like. They come out with a border at the top and the bottom, like that. Yeah, so as I said, if you tweak your printer settings to 8.5 by 15, legal size, and tick the fit 2-page box, it comes out full A4 size. There you go. I haven't tried printing this one borderless, so I don't know, but I would imagine that, you know, that would also work. But yeah, so I am going to love you and leave you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay safe, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.